Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix connection or server issues on Fortnite. It's quite easy and straightforward, so let me show how. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to go to the bottom right corner where your internet icon is, and then press right click on your mouse. And then you need to press open network and internet settings. And once you're here, then you need to as you can see here, you need to press change adapter options and just disable this basically your internet for a bit. And then what you need to do here, you need to press enable again, and then we need to wait until basically we have a network here. As you can see here, currently no internet access, but now I'm connected. So you can close this window, and then you need to go to network and sharing center, and then you need to press on the Ethernet button, and this window pops up. And then you need to go to properties, and then you need to go to press on Internet Protocol version 4 and go to properties here, and then press use the following DNS server addresses, and here just write 8.8.8.8 and then 8.8.4.4 and then press OK and close this window. And now your basically connection and server issues should be fixed on Fortnite, right? So that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.